Come with me to my favorite place to shop. It's at Aldi, and here you need to have a quarter to get your cart. If you want your quarter back, you just have to return the cart. And when I tell you this is my favorite place to shop, I'm not exaggerating, and I'll show you guys why. And it's not like any regular supermarket. So when you walk in here, you'll have pizza and items that you can buy, food items that you can buy. I love this. And fruits on one side, fruits on the other side, which are vegetables. And I love here you can get a package of green onion scallions for 75 cents, and this you get about 10 to 12 in here. Sometimes they do have shadow benny, but none today, but they do have it time to time. Probably should get a bag of peaches. Well, these are nectarines. Probably get the nectarine. I'll have to get my lettuce here also. I like these. This is the Boston lettuce. Nice tender leaves. And the bakery section. And I'm going to show you guys my favorite bread. So my favorite bread here is their brioche buns. They have them in the hot dog, and they have these, and you always get the date when it expires, so you'll know okay how long it's gonna last you. So if it lasts a month, I'll get like 4, so I have for the entire month, and it's $3.29 for one pack. They have it with the sesame seed also, and they do have one. I don't see it today, but they usually have this same brioche but the Hawaiian style, but I'm not a fan of that one, so just try this one. It's the best. Salads and wraps, ready-made food, cheeses. Here I come and I get the cheese for my tacos, which I don't see any today, which means to say they're out of stock. Oh no, it's here. It's queso fresco. It's $2.79 for a pack. And I'm going to take you guys really quick to the meat section, and then I'll move on to the section that I really want you guys to see, which is their Tuesday aisle. So for me, I feel like here at Aldi you get value for your money. Pork chops, this is almost £3 for $8.31. Their salmon is like around $8 for a portion, and you could even get the entire piece of salmon. It's like $16.50 for that entire length that she's holding. But let me show you guys this. This is an entire pack of wings. Sometimes when it's on sale it starts at $8. Today it's $11.65, but an entire family pack for $11.65. I think that's such a great deal, and I always come here and get my chicken. And a whole chicken is a little bit on the pricier side. This one has no price on it, but it's $6.79 for this entire chicken. This free range one is $16.15. So $6.79 is not a bad price. Okay, now I want to take you guys really quickly. We're gonna go to the Tuesday aisle, because every Tuesday they have items that you could only find at Aldi on a Tuesday. So this is the Tuesday aisle, and they always have cute items. Oh, look at this. This is $12.99. If you have any Disney lovers in your family, they would love that. It's just a snow globe, not musical. And we have items like these, so character stuffed toys. The kids would love these. Pajamas, $12.99. Mickey ears. Oh, look at the Halloween one. This is so cool. Glow in the dark. Water bottles. Oh, these are bedroom slippers. These are $5.99. Halloween pillows. And they always have the nicest throws, not pillows, throws. So Valentine's, when you come here, you name it, they have them. They're really beautiful. This is $12.99. Pants is $9.99. This is a double wall stainless steel mug. Game day pull over sweaters. Accessories for women. These are Swedish dishcloths. These you can reuse, wash, reuse. They dry up really nicely. Baking and chopping tools. Mini pie molds. These are wavy knives. Silicone cups for baking or lunch dividers. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're so soft and nice. These are just $5 for one. Wow, $5 for one. That's really good. Okay, I like these. These are a set of 3 nesting bowls. These are really beautiful and they come with covers and they have them in different patterns and colors. These are collapsible laundry baskets. These are cute. These are $8.99. And then we have some decorative woven baskets. So a set of 3 for $8. And more Halloween supplies. Ooh, this is really heavy. You can put a candle in it. A home steaming mat. This is cool. So you can hang your clothes and then steam this and it hits the mat and not the door. I like that. Under eye masks. Cooker liners. Snacks for your dog. And these are some. I like this. I think I'm gonna get this scissor set. Never have enough scissors in my house. Oh, and they have different colors. And this is only $4.99. Doggy toys. And look at this side table. The side table is $24.99. This is storage also. These are chair mats for you to put your rolling chair on, and they have runners and area rugs. Mini cutting boards. Titanium, 2-in-1 titanium wood cutting board. $16.99. Pool inflatables. This is a Bluetooth speaker. $9.99. Rechargeable water flosser. $24.99. This adjustable fan. $7.49. And these are storage bins with lids. And these are just $6.99. That's a really good price. These are ceramic coated glass food storage containers. This is really heavy. $7.99 for one. Cards. More kitchen utensils. I got the one that looks like, let me see if they have it so I'll show you guys. Oh, they don't have it. I got a really nice pair last week. A mini lantern, garbage bags, regular stuff. Oh, this is for your plastic, wax paper and foil paper. And this little gadget on the top here will cut it for you. So you just put it in here and this cuts it. I see a cookbook stand. It's all wooden. This is no price because where I found it, that's not the price. Five-piece stackable glass jar, $7.99. Bulletin board set for the kids. Oh, look at this 8-piece prep set. No price here though. I'm sure it's nothing more than $10. Cupcake or muffin holder. When you don't see a price, it's because, well, look, it's here, $5. When you don't see the price, it means it's moved, it's not in the correct place. So $5, not bad. And these pans look really nice. Nice, deep for frying. It's a 11-inch cast iron frying pan. Here we have a menu board, a magnetic meal planner set. A fan. Under sink storage. Bins. Cereal dispenser. And we've come to the end of it because then from here go that way is just snacks. So this is what I wanted you guys to see. Sometimes you come to Aldi and you find the best deals, you find the best unusual items. There's a fresh face cloth. I got the best socks here once because I love those fuzzy soft socks, and I got them here. They even have the regular laundry baskets. This is huge. This is huge for $10 and really strong and heavy duty. So guys, that wraps it up for me. You have to go through, things are mixed up and you'll see items for the kids, mini erasers. You'll see so many nice items, unusual items. You'll find clothes. Sometimes I pick up clothing items from here, dresses, pants, leggings. When it's getting cold, they have the best leggings. So you guys be sure to come check out Aldi every Tuesday. I'll see you guys next week Tuesday for my next Aldi finds.